whenever the Fed is there, the markets will not decline, or they will not allow, when you not start to hear, they will not allow them to decline, then you know that you're too close to it. So I think we're just in a normal cycle, and the markets will top out at some point. I don't think it's right here. I think you're going to hear a lot of talk that into the summer, because we have we've reached the normal extension, almost normal extension on the S&P and the Nasdaq, a little higher from here, and then we should see a decline into the summer, and then we should see a new high going into the autumn, and that will be it, and then it's over, and then it'll be bad, and it's people will not recognize it immediately, but when it starts to decline, I think it's going to be fast.
Yeah, interesting. And as you say, there's lots of money on the sideline as well. It seems like people, especially after Liberation Day, they sort of took profit, so they took the money, and it seems like there's lots of institutional money on the sideline. As you said, after the summer bump, maybe that's when it all floods back in, and then you see this exponential top.
Yeah, that's absolutely. I mean, that's a timeline that could work. I mean, again, we need to see things are happening, and when I say happening, we need to see a deterioration in the real economy. We need to see the non-farm payrolls maybe not being so strong. And we also know that the non-farm payrolls that we're looking at, they will be revised, and they have been revised also all going along, but they're still, in a territory where it doesn't signal any kind of immediate problem. I do start to see some of the short end yields levels that they are starting to decline, which is a first indication that things are starting to develop. So, but we're not there. I mean, and that's it. I mean, we simply have to think also, that the Titanic has hit the iceberg. It's that's a given, as I see it. But it's not the same thing as we're going to be in the water just in the next hour here. You'll see that the ship slowly goes down, and the music will still be playing, and the music being the equity.